Now I want to give a brief discussion about what? The direction ratios and direction cosines of the vectors. Now the first question is, what are the direction ratios and what are the direction cosines? If you want to understand that if A is a point in the plane having the position given by coordinates x1, y1, z1, and B is another point in the same space and coordinates are x2, y2 and z2. If x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 are the positions of 2 points in the plane with their coordinates x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, then the component of the vector AB, the component of vector AB in the direction of x-axis is known as first dr. This is the first direction ratio and represented by A and given by x2 minus x1. What I told you, if AB is the vector, then the component of this vector AB in the direction of x-axis is said to be first direction ratio A and given by x2 minus x1. Now the second component of AB, that is in the direction of y-axis, and this is the second direction ratio of vector and given by B, represented by B, and the rule is y2 minus y1. If we talk about the third one, that is vector AB's third direction ratio, that is along the z-axis, third dr is represented by C and given by z2 minus z1. So you can say that A, B, C are the direction ratios of any vector AB and they are obtained by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. Then the vector R is given by A times of I cap plus B times of j cap plus C times of k cap. So this is the vector R, or you can say vector AB, is equals to A into I cap plus B into j cap plus C into k cap, where A is x2 minus x1, B means y2 minus y1 and C means z2 minus z1. Now if we talk about what are their DCs, DCs means their direction cosines. So if I talk about the direction cosines of a vector R, which is given by A is equals to, if a vector R is given by A into I cap, B into j cap plus C into k cap, then first DC A, B, C, these are the DRs. DRs are given by A, B, C. As I told you, A is x2 minus x1, B is y2 minus y1 and C is z2 minus z1. Now if we talk about DCs, symbols for DCs are L, M and N, and the first DC, first direction cosine, means the angle of cosine with the x-axis is given by A upon root of A square plus B square plus C square, or you can say it is A upon mod of vector R, because A square plus B square plus C square's root, it is mod of vector R, and this is given by cos of alpha. DC's direction cosine, alpha is the angle made by the vector with the x-axis positive direction. First DC is given by L, second DC is M, which is related to the second DRB divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square, which is also represented by b upon magnitude of vector r and given by cos of beta, where what is this beta? Beta is the angle made by vector r or vector AB with the y-axis, and the third DC symbol is n, and it is given by third DRC upon root of a square plus b square plus c square, or you can say it is b upon magnitude of r, or you can say it is cos of gamma. That's mean what? Cos gamma means value of cosine in the angle gamma with what? Gamma is the angle made by the line vector with the z axis, and a rule is here that L square plus m square plus n square is always is equals to 1. Sum of squares of all three DCs of any vector is always is equals to 1, which you can verify. Here just L square plus m square plus n square will come out a square plus b square plus c square upon a square plus b square plus c square, which is equals to 1.